Hey friends, this is our own YouTube channel Electrical and Electronic World. From today we are going to start a new series on Proteus simulation software. In this video I will cover what is a Proteus, what is a feature of Proteus and one simple circuit. So let's begin it. Basically, Proteus is a simulation software where we can design our own electrical and electronic circuit. Like this is a 555 timer IC inverter circuit which converts a DC signal into AC signal. Basically, Proteus also provides us very useful tools like voltmeter, ammeter, and oscilloscope, and many more. The voltmeter to measure a voltage, ammeter to measure a current, and oscilloscope to measure a waveform of any circuit. The special feature of Proteus also allows us to create our own PCB design in PCB layout. The most special feature of PCB layout, such as auto place, help us to place our all components automatically and save our lots of time. If we want to drag any components from one place to another plate, the simply drag option helps us. The special function of this PCB layout, such as auto routing, help us to route our all wire automatically without getting short circuited and solve our many problems such as soldering. Proteus also allows us to view our design in 3D modes. We can view our 3D design in 3D mode at any direction at any certain point. Hope friends you have understood it very well. So friend, now let us see how to create a simple LED circuit and measure its voltage and current. For creating a simple circuit, just click on New Project, name your project from here. You can save your project in a desired folder by clicking on Borrow. As we want to create a simple schematic, we will just click on Create a Schematic and put it on default. As we are not creating any PCB layout or something else, we will just skip this part. Now this window will show what we have selected to create our design. After finishing this will bring us to a schematic capture where we can place our all component and simulate our simulation. So friend, as we want to create a simple LED circuit, we will need one resistor, one LED and one battery source. To select those desired components, we will just click on P and it will bring us to a library window. From where we can select our any components by just typing their name like this. And this will bring us to all possible result of LED. We can also filter our components by using a category windows. After selecting a desired LED, just double click on it and it will be added to our component box. After LED, we will just need one resistor and one battery source. After selecting a desired component, just click on OK. Now just drag our components one by one. You can also zoom in and zoom out using a mouse scroll button to your circuit. Now as we want to measure a voltage and ampere of a circuit, we will simply select a DC voltmeter and ammeter from a virtual instrument and drag it to a schematic capture. As we want to measure a voltage and current, we will simply connect an ammeter in series and voltmeter in parallel. By clicking a left click of mouse button, we can simply do a wiring to our circuit. If we want to change a property of circuit, we just double click on it. Now as we know, our LED requires 2.2 voltage and a forward drive current of 10 mA. Now simply we will use a Ohm's law to decide the value of our resistor to a 1K. Now we will change the value of ampere to a milliampere by just double clicking on it. As our circuit required a milliampere. So friend, now our design is ready for a simulation. So click on a play button and note down a value of ampere and current. Hope friend, this video will be helpful for you. There are also many features of this software which we are going to explore in upcoming videos. Friends, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel.